Before we start everything, let's talk about the fonts that I use. So the name of this font, this one, the one that I use for the North Bronx, Ghana 7-day Adventist Church Women's Ministry is called Copper Plate Gothic Bold. Copper Plate. Okay, I think I've uninstalled it. That's why it's giving me this warning. And the one that I use for the mental health too is called False Positive BRK. False Positive BRK. You can download them. I think I have the website opened already here. Yes, you can get the False Positive from dafont.com. Yeah. All right. So I use False Positive, Copper Plate, then Nexa. So I think the Nexa has been my go-to font for everything design. And I open